What can you say po about the appointment po of Dr. Mercado as the new President and CEO of PhilHealth? Was this expected? Parang wala akong narinig na bulong-bulungan na papalitan po si dating President Mandy Ledesma.
I'm hopeful, I'm optimistic. I'm hoping that Dr. Mercado will perform better, much better than the previous leadership under Mandy Ledesma. No? Hindi naman, nothing personal against Mr. Ledesma, pero ang nangyari po kasi, sa tingin ko, PhilHealth was treated like a private corporation. No? Parang nakakapagtaka, pinagmamalaki pa nila na, boy, may savings kami, meron kaming reserve fund na ganito kalaki. Eh hindi po tayo, ang PhilHealth po is a public agency. No? That is expected to implement the Universal Healthcare Law. So ito pong lahat ng kaguluhan na ito, no? Yung controversial na the excess funds of 89 billion na nagamit for other purposes by the economic team, at itong reserve fund ng PhilHealth. At syempre, alam mo, nakakalungkot kasi bakit ka magdedeklara ng 89 billion na reserve fund? Gayong ano mo, Ali, pati ang dami pa rin nahihirap pagbayad ng hospital bills. No? Baka pumupunta sa amin. Halimbawa po, 80,000 ang hospital bills. Ang sinasagot ng PhilHealth, 5,000 pesos, 4,000 pesos. Ang kawawa, yung mga milyon na inaabot, yung mga complicated na mga sakit. Halimbawa, 1 million ang billing, binasagot, minsan 15,000 lang. Hindi po ganun. No, dahil ako po, as the principal sponsor and author of the Universal Healthcare Act, ang ating pong pakay, ibaba yung out-of-pocket expense sa bawat Pilipino. Na kung sakaling ma-hospital ka o meron kang gastos sa medical, dapat ang PhilHealth, ramdam mo na nandyan sila. No? At yung lagi sinasabi ni Mr. Ledesma noon, kasi po yung case rate, ito lang, itong basihan. No? So, ang sa akin, ang tagal nyo niya dyan. Dapat in-adjust nyo noon pa nung nakaupo kayo. Hindi nyo pwedeng gawin, palusot lagi, na ito ang inyong magiging, dahil nandito lang ang case rate, hanggang dito lang.
Let's get together, Sunday 25. Sunday 25.